Hello. The key with these ones is to, when you look at it, in fact you probably won't even be watching this video, these tend to be the easy questions, and they're the ones where you can make silly mistakes. Usually when you look at people's mock exams, you never look at it and say, oh yeah, you got all the marks you could, hun. You were never going to get those. You look at the easy ones, you threw that one away, you threw this one away, you threw that one away, and you just threw away too many. And so treat these ones with as much care and respect as you can muster, because you still need the mark, even though you might not find it challenging. So we're going to work this way because we've got 1, 2, 3, and then the space and the 4. So we'll give ourselves an arrow. Notice we've got the cupcakes in the corner. Now I like to think it's cupcakes. If we maybe I'll draw ourselves a nice little cupcake. Good. Can you see that? Doesn't really show up. I'm trying to go for a cakey colour. See, it's a bit burnt now, isn't it? And then we've got our paper cases underneath. Do you know, when I came home from school when I was a little girl, Mum always had cupcakes. Well, when I say always, sometimes, and that was nice. And cupcakes then were tiny. They were about 4 centimetres wide, 2 centimetres deep. Not like the hoofing great things you get these days. So anyway, cupcakes. We've got a cupcake in every corner, sitting on its body. So we want that on its body. Yes. Oh, that's in the wrong side. Let's get rid of that one. That's standing on its head. No. That one on its body. That one hasn't even got a cupcake. So now we've already got a 50% chance just by choosing one of those. So that takes us on to these hourglasses. You know when you've got the sand measurers for sort of like eggs, or I always think of them as very Arabic things, with very romantic sort of, and you've got the sand in here and then it gradually trickles down and builds up here. I just love them. And what's not to love, let's be honest. So the hourglass, it goes dotty, grey, dotty, dotty. So it's going to be grey, which is this one, because that one, E, was just peculiar. Very peculiar. See you soon.